Hi there, this is Puya from puyayoga.com. Neck is a big topic of our videos. I'm doing many different videos for you only to fix the neck pain. Today we are showing a short exercise, very simple, however effective to correct your neck. Sometimes we try to crack our neck. Maybe you try a lot of force, maybe you use your hands to crack it. However, since you are pushing, since the weight of your head is being carried by your neck, this is quite dangerous. Although done by a professional chiropractor, it's quite good and it's quite pleasing and satisfying. Here I want to show you a simpler exercise how to give your neck a good stretch or twist. Before you start any exercise for the neck, always keep your back straight. Since this is the spine-based connection going from your lower back, upper back to your neck, always have it straight. You want to place your hands under your thighs or reaching almost for the buttocks. Again, roll your shoulders back, keep your back straight. So already this is creating a good stretch, good opening in your shoulder area. I already feel it in the nerves which are running through the shoulders, into the arms, into the forearms. So now comes the exercise part. You want to bring your head a little bit lower to the right side. Remember, the goal is not to reach the shoulder, only a little bit of bend, and then try to bring the chin up and face up. A very good lateral stretch. You should feel it all the way here. Now we hold it, and you saw how gently I went in, really slowly, really gently. No hectic or fast movement. Always be really sensitive for your neck. Slowly here. After 10 seconds, you might feel that you can go a little bit more in the twist, or if it's painful, just hold it there. Few more seconds, and slowly rest. Of course, we are doing soon the other side, but before that, feel it. The left side is now more open, as if it's longer. All right, the other side, slowly, a little bit of pointing down with the left ear. Chin and face are pointing up. Maybe you notice a small difference in the sides. Maybe one side is more flexible or more comfortable. Remember, shoulder back, keep your chest open. I feel it all the way to the hand. These are the nerves which are running from your neck into the entire arms. That would be a topic for another video. Sometimes if you feel tingling or numbness in your fingers, it might come actually from your neck. All right. Relax it again, especially relax your arms if you need to shake them out. Feel it in your neck, a good opening. This was again a short taste, a very short exercise I've covered in my neck pain course, the complete neck pain routine. Check my profile. I see you soon again. Till later.